Hello everyone, it's Jade from Career Journey Professional, helping you to find and land in a career that's suitable to who you are, what you're best at, what you really enjoy, and is aligned with your value. Alright, it's actually the end of 2020. What a year, right? It's been difficult and challenging for many of us on many levels. That's why I want to give you a gift. So the video topic today is the December gift for you. It's not a gift, it's actually two. And new channels, we're having new channels. So the first thing, it's a gift for you. It's how to land your dream career kit, starter kit. It's actually, I'm gonna start charging it in January 2021. So only for December. It's for free. Now, in previous videos, I probably never mentioned what's in it. It's actually things that from the bottom of my heart that for me personally maneuvered over 8 different industries until one day, 6 years ago from now, before I started full-time career coaching. And all these years, what I've seen from my client, how they really transition, how they really become fulfilled, how they really become happy, it's all in this starter kit. So it's something to really kickstart your career, to having the first step of what is for you, what's the right career direction, what do you really stand for, in career, what's really valuable for you, what are you really good at. And I promise you, everyone has something that they are good at that's unique to themselves, right? So there are 5 secrets that I'm sharing how to kickstart your ideal career. Now, the first secret, it's the alignment, assertive, and allowing, the AAA system that I called, that you need to adjust and get clear before you really jump into looking for a job, before you really jump into thinking about the next step of your career. So it's a system or a process that you want to go through, that once you've gone through, you can easily claim more payment if you want, easily feel recognized by yourself, love yourself, and recognized and fulfilled by other people in your work environment as well. Secret number 2 is the number 1 reason that and believe that self-limiting that people keep having, so that they're stuck and underpaid or not being seen and not allowing yourself to really to step up for yourself, to really claim the value that you really have, to really feeling fulfilled, being fully utilized in what you're really good at in an aligned career, which is how to be in the driver's seat of your career. Secret number 3 is about communication and strategy. A lot of people, myself included, I believe in authentic communication. It's about really being yourself, what you really want to achieve at career. It's becoming the best version of you. Communication and expression is the biggest part of this. And it can be challenging because not all of us are good at selling ourselves. Not all of us are good at negotiating. Not all of us are good at having challenging conversations with our boss, with our subordinates, with people in a high level. So how do you stay tuned to your value, do it beautifully and gracefully, but still claim and ask and fight for what's really meaningful for you, right? This is what's the boundaries, what's the strengths, what do you really desire, and how do you really express it? How do you manifest it? That's how do you express yourself in emails, presentations, conference calls, to even people can be challenging, intimidating to you. And how do you stay true to yourself throughout the whole process when you're still growing and ascending in your career? Secret number 4 is 5 big questions, an exercise for you to uncover what's really right for you. It's a fun little exercise that you can do it with your friend, your family, during this special Christmas season, holiday season, or just do it yourself. It's all about having fun, and it's a game. Number 5, the 5 step, is desire, ask, and become. Shifting from being overlooked, not being seen, not being heard, underpaid, being passive, into positioning self, into actively positioning self with power in the workplace. You don't have to be another aggressive monster or someone so outspoken and outstanding. No, you just need to be the best version of you. Fully be who you are. Whether it's an interview, whether it's asking for a promotion, and now you can do it if you have never thought about it, negotiation, persuasion, or just daily chit-chat, small talks, social occasions at work. How do you do that? Those are the 5 secrets that I'm sharing, and those are the 5 valuable tips that I really want you to fully utilize it. So again, that's one of the gifts. It's for free for December. Do claim it and you can receive it. You are entitled to receive gifts, and that's from me. Now, the second gift is a lot of people, interestingly, whenever it's December, there are always a lot of people come and ask me, I'm going to enhance my resume, my LinkedIn, my cover letter. So I am giving a big discount on the resume and cover letter online training course, which includes the step-by-step guide, the dummy guide. You don't have to know anything to get started with. And it's just 5 simple steps. It's not going to take you hours and hours. If you just follow that simple process, it's only going to take you a few hours, and it's very easy and it's very pleasant, and you can stay to be you. Don't have to oversell yourself. And I teach you how do you tailor-made your own descriptions to best suit what the employers are looking for, to make it really stand out. That's why the course is actually called Writing a Resume to Win Your Interview, to 5 times your chances of getting an interview, and cover letter as well. So cover letter, it's something that you write to strengthen your resume, to elaborate on things that you couldn't really say on the resume. They are going to be your true weapon when you apply for a job, right? That's the first thing recruiters and HR managers are going to see. And you do want them to look perfect in a way that's aligned to yourself, and that it's presenting the best of you. And that can be reflected on your LinkedIn as well. So that whole package was originally $249, and it's only $199 for December. So again, make use of that. Click on the link down below to once you pay, you will right away be in the course. And I have real-time template in there. There are several samples that you can use and you can listen, and very easy steps. And this is going to be gold and valuable for any future job that you're going to apply. That you need that to write cover letter and resume. So it's not just giving you a fish, it's teaching you how to fish. So once you go through that, you will know how to enhance your resume. Okay, so that's the second gift. And thirdly, it's actually an announcement. There are 2 new channels that we're opening. Now, the first one is actually a personal channel that I'm opening called JJ's Spiritual Journey. It's me sharing a lot of fun things about spirituality. I'll probably do some card reading, depends on how it goes. It's about energy, it's about how to be the best and happiest version of you. I will also share things. Now, I call it spiritual because I am really interested in these things. Over the years, I've been meditating for over a decade now. The different things that I use, tarot card, oracle card, how do you connect to your psychic, how to be more intuitive, how to know the right decision for yourself. Like this interesting things. I may be creating my own new card in the future as well. I'll keep you posted. And I will share a lot of the supernatural stories or supernatural experiences I had personally back in the UK and here in Australia as well. I will share some other personal things that I think will be helpful for people. For example, hormone problems that struggle with, going through egg freezing. For any ladies who want to go through that, want to know what is it really like, my point of view, what do I suggest? Everything is in that video, in that channel. So do leave a like, subscribe, and then go to that channel, check it out. Could be something that could be helpful to you. Second channel is another part of our business. It's actually online business training. So training people who want to offer your wisdom, whatever you're good at, your expertise, your knowledge, your training online as an online coach. So it's an online business training channel called Coachier Academy, which I'm so proud of. It's I co-created with my business partner, and we will be sharing a lot more of how to start your online business, simply like what you're watching right now. So I started off with my YouTube channel for my career coaching side, and on that channel we'll share a lot more of being a self-made entrepreneur. What do you need to do? How do you have fun throughout the process? How to find client, how to build your business, everything will be there. So that's the second channel. Go and check it out there. I'll see you soon. So again, happy Christmas and New Year. I hope you had or made out of the best from 2020. If there's grief and unhappiness, let it be, face it. And if there's new things that you look forward to, if you do need help with your personal career, there is a free chat that I'm offering to diagnose what you can do. Link is down below. As usual, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!